Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to highlight bottom 10% values in Excel with the help of conditional formatting. Before moving towards this topic, we should know the basic concept behind this 10% values. So what does it mean highlighting 10% values? Whether it is top 10% or bottom 10%. But what is this 10%? It means it will highlight the 10% values out of the total values. For example, if we have total 50 values, then what is the 10% of 50? It is 5. It means it will highlight the 5 values. Now what is 20% of 50? It's 10, right? So it will highlight the 10 values. What is 30% of 50? It is 15. That is 1 5. It means if we select the option to highlight the 30% values, it will highlight the 15 values. Now we are going to highlight the bottom 10% values or bottom 20% or bottom 30%. So how many total values are there on our screen? So here for your easy reference, I have entered total 50 values. It means if we select the option to highlight the bottom 10%, so it will highlight the bottom 5 values. If we select the option to highlight the bottom 20%, it will select the bottom 10 values. If we select the option 30%, so it will highlight total 15 values. That means bottom 15 values. Okay. I hope you are now clear with the basic concept of this 10%, 20% and 30%. Now we will move further towards our main topic. That is how now we can highlight this bottom 10% values. But first of all, we should know where we can find the option conditional formatting, as we are going to highlight these values with the help of conditional formatting. So to find the conditional formatting option, we have to go to the Home tab and under Styles group, here we can find the option conditional formatting. Okay. So we will now see how we can use this option to highlight our bottom 10% values. Select all the values from which we wish to highlight the bottom 10% values, as I have selected here. Click on the Home tab. Under Styles group, here click on the conditional formatting. This will open further options. Okay, out of these options we have to select the second option, top bottom rules. Again it will pop up further options under the top bottom rules, and here we have to select the option bottom 10%. Okay, now we will see the dialog box on our screen, that is bottom 10%. Here we can see the message format cells that rank in bottom 10 is already selected. It means it will highlight the 10%, that is bottom 10% with this formatting style. So the default formatting style is already selected, light red with the dark red text. So we will keep this as it is and click on the OK button. Here we can see that 5 values, that are bottom 5 values, are highlighted. So we can see here that out of these 50 values, 10% of total values, that is 15. The result is 5. 5 values are highlighted on our screen. Now we will see another example how to highlight bottom 20% values. Before that, we will clear this formatting, select all the values, click on the conditional formatting, and here we can see the second last option, clear rules. Out of this, again we have to select the first option, that is clear rules from selected cells. Okay, again same process, select all the cells, go to the Home tab, under Styles group, click on the conditional formatting, second option top bottom rules, again here fourth option bottom 10%. So here instead of 10, we can either type here directly as 20, or we can use this button to increase the percentage. So here we want 20%, and here we will change the formatting style. We will try something different, that is yellow fill with dark yellow text, and click on the OK button. Okay. So what is the 20% of total 50 values? It is 10. So it means it will highlight the bottom 10 values. We will check whether Excel has shown us correct output. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, Excel has shown us the correct output. So it has highlighted bottom 20% values. That means bottom 10 values, right? Again, we will clear this and we will see another example how we can highlight the bottom 30% values. Okay. Similar procedure. Select all the cells from which we wish to highlight the bottom 30% values. Go to the Home tab under Conditional Formatting. We will select top bottom rules and here again fourth option, that is bottom 10%. So here again bottom 10% dialog box will appear on our screen. Instead of 10 we will type here 30 as we wish to highlight the bottom 30% values, and this time we will select the green field with dark green text and click on the OK button. Okay, so what is 30% of total 50 values? It means 15. Again we will check whether Excel has shown us the correct output. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Yes. So Excel has highlighted bottom 30%. It means 15 values out of this total 50 values. So this is very simple process. You can try some different values as well, like 35%, 25% values while you working on the Excel as per your requirement. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.